Hey everyone, how's it going? So I have a new light strip here from Hansshow. So this light strip from Hansshow can change different color using a mobile app. So it comes with this Bluetooth device that you plug into the light strip itself. And then now they also give you a wire splitter. So you actually don't have to split the wire or buy a wire connector. And I think overall this is a huge improvement. So what we'll be doing is installing this in the Tesla Model Y, and I'll show you how quickly you can do this. So no longer do you need to split wires or add a wire connector. It's just really plug and play at this point. So this is the Model Y. To install this light, you just want to pry this panel open by pushing forward the 3 clips and pulling up, and then disconnecting the wire to the actual emergency switch, and that's it. So put this aside, and next you want to go ahead and install this wire strip, and you want to line it up with the clear part facing down. So what you want to do is tuck it underneath the weather strip here around the frunk. So it will be flush underneath the actual weather strip. So how I like to do this is using both hands, one lifting up and the other pushing up the LED light strip. Now this does get cut to the vehicle that you purchased it for. So the Model Y is slightly longer than the Model 3, for example. So make sure you order the correct one for your vehicle. Just go around the light again and push it up so it sits flush with your weather strip. And if they cut it too long, there's a line that you can follow and you can cut off the access. So in this case, it's too long. So there's a line every inch that you can cut, so it will fit your Tesla vehicle. So we'll go ahead and connect this adapter to the actual LED strip. and connect the vehicle plug into the T connector. And just test it out. So the switch works. Now we're gonna plug it into the light. And it's on. So I see multiple colors: red, blue, green, purple, pink. And that's how it looks like. So we'll download the app. It looks like it's just in a connection setting. So we'll connect this with the actual app and see what the aftermath is and how we can adjust it. So hold on and we'll download the app and we'll see how quickly it connects as well as how customizable it can be. Okay, so I found out that the barcode on the actual device itself actually link you to the app, and this is how the app looks like. Of course, you can change the color. You see there's blue, red, and I believe you can also sync it with the music. Yeah, you can sync with the music or the mic or a different style. Very cool. So if you have music playing, you can sync it with the music. Okay. So very customizable. Highly recommend this. It's actually just an extra $10. So the other LED strip that we installed before did not come with the Bluetooth, did not come with the wire splitter. So this is a better deal. And we'll post a link where you can find this. Again, from Hansshow. Check them out. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.